Gi.
Good day everyone. So our problem is nata sa sensible heating. Atong problem one is nata air at 20 Celsius dry bulb temperature DDP and 50% relative humidity is heated to 40 degree at a constant pressure of 1 atm. So to record is the sensible heat added per kilogram of dry air. And the second is the final relative humidity. So our solution is using a psychometric chart. Initial enthalpy at 20 Celsius and 50% of relative humidity. We have H1 equals 36.5 kilojoules per kilogram. And our final enthalpy at 40 degree. And assume na to ang RH is 20% sa relative humidity. And atong H2 is 52.0 kilojoules per kilogram. Now, our solution is Q is equals to H2 minus H1 equals 52.0. Ito yung input ang mga given minus 36.5 equals 15.5 kilojoules per kilogram. And our final relative humidity is 20% from the chart. So, atong problem 2 is an air conditioning system heats 2 kg per second of air from 15 Celsius to 35 Celsius. We have and our required is heating rate. So the solution is using specific heat of dry air na CP is equals to 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram times Kelvin because ang atong one is Q equals MCP delta T. So yung pala ito itong mga given natin 2 kg per second na mass na and atong CP is 1.005 na kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin in a watt. Delta T is 35 minus 15. Ang atong answer is Q is equals to 40.2 kilowatts.